Today, I'm going to be unboxing the LOGITECH X52 HOTAS flight system. Hey everyone, Jerry here and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I do videos on lifestyle and tech, so if that's your cup of tea, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I've done tech videos in the past, but this will be my actual first time filming myself unboxing a new piece of tech, so I'm pretty pumped about this video. I've invested in some pretty cool tech recently, like the Quest 1 and Quest 2 over here behind me, but moving forward I hope to do unboxings of every new piece of tech that I get my hands on. As I've said before, this is the LOGITECH X52 HOTAS flight system. There is the Pro version, which is black and orange, but it costs a little bit more. I've been playing a ton of Star Wars Squadrons and Elite Dangerous recently, but I've been stuck using this flight stick in my keyboard, and I wanted to get more immersion, thus I got this as an upgrade. Before I do the unboxing, I just wanted to point out how crazy expensive flight sticks and HOTAS systems have been for the past several months. If you check on Amazon, all the prices of the popular Logitech and Thrustmaster flight sticks and HOTAS systems are very inflated, even the budget plastic ones. And I think this was due to Star Wars Squadrons and Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 coming out this year, and on top of that, Elite Dangerous being free for 1 week on the Epic Games Store. After checking online for flight sticks and HOTAS systems to drop in price, I finally sniped this one out for its regular MSRP at around $149.99. Now that I finally have my hands on the flight stick, let's move on to the unboxing. Wires through here. Got some suction cups. Got the wires to connect them. Wow, this is bigger than I expected. Whoa. Okay, let's get this cardboard out of the way. Let's get this plastic out of the way. Wow, this is great. This is a lot better than my other flight stick. Okay. There you have it. I'm gonna turn these around just to give another view. Just what it looks of it. It looks very premium and very sleek. And this is the wire to connect these two together. You see they have the inputs there. The joystick is very smooth and this can rotate. So there's a rudder lock button here. So if I push that out right here, I can't twist it left and right anymore. There are tons of buttons on here. It's unboxed. I'm going to plug it into my computer and play some Star Wars Squadrons, test it out. Okay, so here I am in Star Wars Squadrons. This flight system is plug and play. I know there's software to do some more customization, but I'm going to install it later. I'm going to play Star Wars Squadrons and see if I can just get the hang of it. So I'm going to jump into multiplayer and training, go on practice. Oh wow, this is awesome. One thing I have to get used to is twisting the flight stick to rotate. I'm usually used to pressing A and D on the keyboard with my left hand, not twisting the flight stick. Wow. Full power to my weapons. Oh, they're hitting the missiles. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my Y-wing. So I had to do a little bit of fiddling around with key bindings, but right now I have the basics down, like cycling through enemies. So I'm gonna see how fitting of these enemies go. So getting used to this twisting the stick to roll left and right. Nice. One more TIE fighter. Gotcha. Nice. Okay, so overall, this flight HOTAS system is pretty awesome. This is a huge upgrade for me, coming from my flight stick from Thrustmaster, just single one. The throttle is awesome, and it added another level of immersion while playing Star Wars Squadrons, and I can't wait to play that in VR also while using this flight system. With the amount of buttons I have at my disposal, I can't wait to customize my key bindings to my playstyle, and also playing Elite Dangerous will also be a lot of fun with those key bindings. But that's it for this video. That wraps up my unboxing and first impressions of the Logitech X52 flight HOTAS system. If you've enjoyed this video and maybe found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to show your support and to see more content like this. I plan to do more unboxing and first impressions videos as I get my hands on more tech moving forward. But for now, I'm Jerry, and I'll see you in the next one.